Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to transfer your Litecoin from one platform to another. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to send Litecoin from Uphold to Exmo. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates, as crypto rules can change quickly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Exmo. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select Litecoin from your list of assets. It's usually easy to find, just look for the Lieutenant Colonel icon. Next, click on the Withdraw or Send option for your Litecoin. You'll be prompted to enter the destination address. Head over to your Exmo account in a new tab, go to the Deposit section and select Litecoin. Copy the wallet address provided. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful to get it right to avoid any mishaps. Back on Uphold, paste that Exmo wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check everything. The address, the amount of Litecoin you want to send, and any network fees involved. In 2025, fees might vary based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on that to save some costs. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button to initiate the transaction. Now, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. While you wait, you can track the status on Uphold or use a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official one. Once it's confirmed, hop back to Exmo and refresh your wallet. Your Litecoin should appear shortly. And there you have it. That's how you send Litecoin from Uphold to Exmo in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, check the help sections on both platforms. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.